What night? Guys, today I'm gonna see what it's like to be shut in a fridge. So I'm just gonna shut my phone in the fridge. And then see how dark it is. I'm curious, okay? I'm curious. So watching Teen Titans. Now she sleeps through what I open. Okay. I can't wait. Fault for you there, sorry, it's quite dirty. Okay, it's not worth it. I could be freezing my phone. Shove someone's head in and ask them. Okay, can I pause this goddamn video?